What if there was a way to never forget a birthday, anniversary, or to recognize a client or to truly thank them? What if every client knew just how much you really cared about them? What if you could create a customer experience so awesome that it kept you top of mind and them wanting more? And what if all of this thoughtfulness could be automated? Now, you can with How To Marketing Pro's direct mail services. We have automated campaigns that can send out gifts while you are sleeping. And here's the bonus: happy clients enjoy your thoughtful gestures and are likely to return for more, becoming loyal customers or clients. What's even better? Satisfied clients who feel genuinely appreciated are enthusiastic about sharing their positive experiences. Expect referrals to start pouring in, boosting your business through the powerful network of genuine appreciation. With How To Marketing Pro's direct mail services, you're not just automating gifts, you're cultivating lasting relationships that drive success. Start sending out heartfelt gifts today and make your client's day with How To Marketing Pro. Because in the world of business, making a lasting impression has never been this easy. Never forget again. Use How To Marketing Pro today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to create unforgettable experiences for your clients. How To Marketing Pro, where automation meets appreciation. Start today and watch your business thrive.